Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock memories in Hytale. Unlocking memories can help with unlocking more recipes in the Arcanist workbench. The key to unlocking this is to go through the portal inside the Forgotten Temple. But there's a golem guarding that entrance. And this golem has a good amount of health on it, so it's gonna take a while to take it down. I recommend using a bow and arrow to beat this guy. Just make sure you're aiming at its front, right around the torso or the head, or else it's going to bounce off and not deal any damage. And also make sure not to miss your ability. Once you've slayed the golem, take your loot and enter the portal. Once on the other side, go straight forward and interact with the glowing statue at the center. And now you've unlocked memories. If you interact with the statue, you'll see all the records of your memories. The question now is how to accumulate memories. Well, as long as you encounter any living mob in the game that you haven't discovered after you unlock memories, then you will collect that memory of that mob. And to record that memory, just approach the statue again and press record memory. And if you take a look at any of the records, you can find out the names of those mobs. Unfortunately, there's no details to help you with anything other than knowing their name. And that's how to unlock memories in Hytale.